Hello everyone! Recently I bought a new set of colored pencils. It's the Prismacolor portrait set. I hope this can help me draw a more natural looking skin. This is the front and this is the back. There is also a little brochure inside showing all the colors. This set includes 24 different colors. That's all of them. Now I need to prepare the pencils for drawing. I use a sharpener. It's also possible to use a knife, but a sharpener is just faster and can make the pencils really sharp. Now I'll make a color chart for all the colors. That's it. Now I'm trying to draw a realistic portrait using this set of pencils. This is my first attempt at drawing a realistic portrait in color, so I start with just half of the face for this trial. I choose colored pencils because colored pencil drawing requires layering, blending, and mixing different colors so as to achieve a smooth texture. During this process, even if I don't get the right colors at the beginning, it is still possible to lighten or adjust the color you put on the paper. Unlike watercolors, colored pencils are much more mistake tolerant, thus more beginner friendly. Among all the colors in this set, my favorites are rose beige and pink clay. These two colors appear a little bit purple, but very light, making them perfect for capturing the shadow in the face. I've spent a long time on this portrait, nearly 2 whole days. So I've changed the speed of the video into super fast. Although the final result may be far from excellent, I still want to share the process of this trial with you. I believe that every drawing we create helps us improve little by little. Sometimes progress may not seem obvious, but the more we draw, the better we become. I hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thank you.